Good morning guys, in front of me is ZTE Blade A72S and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. At first, enroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Then find and select system and update and click on date and time. So once you want to manage it, all you have to do is to unmark the switchers and smoothly personalize both date and time manually by yourself. From now on, it's up to you what date and time it currently is. But I also switched off automatic time zone, and here you can also pick it manually by yourself. So at first you need to select the region and then time zone. So that's it, that will be all. Once you want to go back to automatic setup, all you have to do is to mark those switchers and then it will be done automatically again. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.